Hello, this is Derek Darlington. In this video, I will show you how to recover the deleted files such as the photos, videos, and music, as well as some other documents with Stellar Data Recovery Professional. Now, first of all, you could just download the link below the video and check some more details for Stellar Data Recovery software. Now, after you visit the site, you could find the software. It could let you recover the data for free up to 1 GB from your Windows and Mac, as well as some external devices like the USB and the memory card, and along with the external hard drive intersector. In terms of some of more details, it could help you recover the deleted or fermented, or even the raw files from your various devices. Anyway, let's just get to the point, and I will show you some more details as well as how you could use this tool to recover your deleted files. So after run this software on a computer, you could find the interface. You could choose all data or just choose one of these options like the Word document, Excel, and the emails, videos, audio, MP3, and some photos. For example, if you only want to recover the deleted Word document, you could just choose this option. Now here I will select all data. After that, you could just move to the next step. So here you could just select a location such as the desktop, or recover from your documents. You could just recover your documents, or even choose a location from your computer, as well as the hard drives like the CE, along with some connected external devices like the USB memory card if the devices are connected to your hard drive. Here you could also try to recover from disk image. So it could help you recover some files even your computer system corrections. You could choose this option. So now here I just choose the hard drive hard drive hard drive D, and then just begin to scale. So this is the scan process, the quick scan process, which is finished very quickly. And if you cannot find the deleted files, you can later on try the deep scan option. So on the left side, you could find the three options, including the file type, which will list different file types like the photos and the videos, some documents, video, etc. You could check all of these options, or just choose one of the options. You can choose another option called the tree view, uh, including some folders onto the hard drive D, as well as the deleting the list, like the program files. Here I will just choose the photos and just select this the JPEG photos. After selecting the photos, you could say that Stellar Data Recovery Professional has a very amazing preview function which could let you preview your images, so that you could know what kind of files that you hope to recover into sector, which is very cool. You could just turn off or turn on the preview here. In addition to that, some files could be searched here, just under this in this bar. In addition to the photos, you could also try to recover other files like the music. You could also preview the music and see whether they could be previewed and recovered. That is same true for the videos. You could just trying to preview, but not all the files could be previewed, and for video it may take some more time, as well as other documents like the some PDF in the sector could just trying to preview them. So one of the biggest advantages for Stellar Data Recovery is that its preview window design is very cool, which could lend to preview the files very easily. Now, after you find the files, you could recover the files. But there are some things I hope to remind you when you use the data recovery software. Firstly, do not run the computer after you delete the files or lose the files by accident. In case the files get corrupted or be damaged further. The second point is that when you use the data recovery software, if you find that some deleted or lost files for the first time, you had better just recover them as soon as possible, because it doesn't mean you could find them again when you use the software for a second time. Thirdly, I recommend that you just should export the files to a different place instead of the original place, in case the files get corrupted or overwritten. If the files are overwritten, then you will lose them forever, even with any software. So here I just try to choose some photos and there try to export them to my computer, like some document it is sector. So this one into some files. After that, just tap on the recover button. Please note the Stellar Data Recovery has a free version which could lend to recover data for free up to 1 GB, but beyond that size limit, you have to purchase the license to recover the more files. If you've already found some important data, uh, maybe you could just continue to recover it. So here I will just try to recover the files onto my hard drive F, and just create a new folder called the data folder data. Then I will export these files. Start to begin to export them. You could just rename of them. So the files are exported successfully. Now I just check the, the files. The files will be saved on the root document. So I just open this folder, and you can see the photos are recovered successfully. You can also try to open the PDF files in the sector. So you can see the files already recovered. So that is the video tutorial I introduced today about how to use the Stellar Data Recovery Professional to recover the deleted files from your Windows computer or Mac, as well as some other external devices.